So there you are, sitting on the streets of Naples, Italy, enjoying an espresso, waiting for your pizza to come. And then you wake up and realize there's a foot of snow outside and you're still in Canada. Welcome back to the chaotic kitchen, my friends. No need to fret over your nightmare of being in Italy. We can have the comfort of Italian kind of pizza right from home. So today, we're going to make pastry pizza flowers. I don't really know how to make a flower, but we're going to see what happens. So the first thing we need is pastry. Once again, I'm not going to teach you how to make it. Here's my thinking. Pizza is normally on a pizza crust, but we're going to put it in pastry, and then we're going to wrap it up in like a floury thing, and then put it in the oven, and it's going to be good. And then we'll sell it to Domino's for millions of dollars. So this recipe is going to be one of those however many you want to make kind of deals, because you can use as much or as little pastry as you want, depending on how many people you're feeding or how many feelings you have to crush with food. Anyway, so roll your pastry out to 1 metric thickness. Yeah. Now pastry is something you want to keep really cold. Take your extras, and however many you're making, and put them back in the fridge while we get some toppings ready. This is where everybody's going to stop watching, because I've got pineapple and black olive for one of them, got some classic pepperoni for another one, and then some fresh basil that we're going to do on the third. And then of course we got our pizza sauce from a can because I didn't want to make it. This blob of mozzarella from a bag because I didn't want to make it. So now that you've got yourself organized, you can start your first pizza pastry flour. Yes, we're gonna get our first disc. We're just gonna give it some sauce. Now leave a good ring around the outside because we gotta do some foldy things. And then get your cheese and just rip it. Flippity plop it around here. All the pizza purists hate me at this point. Can't have too much cheese unless you're lactose intolerant like me, so this will be fun. Now, so get yourself an egg and some water and make them one and the same. And now you've got egg wash, but don't let me catch you bathing in it. Now get a paintbrush to do some artistry. And then just there. Now, in fancy baking terms, that would be a galette, but it's pizza, so we can call it a palette. On to the next one. What is on my finger? This one's going to be a margarita pizza pastry palette. So get yourself some fresh basil and put that on there. Some freshly grated Parmesan. I'm a painter. Now this is the one that people are going to get upset at. Black olives and some pineapple. Pineapple's delicious on pizza. I wish I had anchovies too. No joke. Oh, perfecto! Oh no, it's ripping. Not on the best one. Now, preheat your oven to 420 degrees. While it's getting there, put these back in the fridge to get cold. When it gets there, take them out again, give them a full over washing, and then bake them for however long it takes them to finish. I'm gonna guess 20 minutes.
Honey, do I get a piece of that?
Just wait! Put them on a rack to cool for a little bit because we don't want cheese slapping down onto your chin. Ooh. And there we go. We got little flowers with pizza stuff inside. This was a great idea. I mean, come on. How could this not be good? Let's be real. It's flaky pie pastry and pizza stuff. This is something you should do. You're welcome. And there you have it. We've cooked this week. You don't have to cook again all week. Follow me on Instagram, @Aaron's Bakery. I'll see you next week. I already know what we're doing, and it's going to be a hoot. So, have a good week.